Have you ever had a broken tail light on your car? Not only can it be a safety hazard, but it's also important to get it fixed to avoid any potential legal issues. But how much does it cost to fix a tail light? The cost to fix a tail light can vary depending on several factors, such as the make and model of your car, the severity of the damage, and the location where you're getting it fixed. The cost of the replacement tail light itself can also vary, depending on the type of tail light and whether it's an OEM part or an aftermarket part. OEM parts are typically more expensive, but they're designed specifically for your car and may offer better performance and longevity. In general, you can expect to pay anywhere from $50 to $200 to fix a tail light, including the cost of the replacement part and the labor to install it. If the damage is more severe or if the tail light assembly needs to be replaced entirely, the cost can go up significantly. To get the most accurate estimate for your specific situation, it's always best to get a quote from a qualified mechanic. They can inspect the damage and provide you with a detailed estimate of the cost to fix it. In summary, the cost to fix a tail light can vary depending on several factors, but you can expect to pay anywhere from $50 to $200 on average. Don't let a broken tail light put you or others on the road at risk. Get it fixed as soon as possible. That's it for today's video on how much it costs to fix a tail light. We hope you found it informative. Thanks for watching.